Are you a thrill seeker? As Bridge Classic Cars is giving you the chance to win this ultimate off-roader, our 2010 Land Rover Defender. This car is finished in striking black, and it has certainly been looked after over the years as it has a full service history from Land Rover main dealers. It's fitted with a 2.4 litre engine which is mated with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Defender is the perfect car for adventures, so where would you take it? Head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website now and get yourself a ticket.